Hi everyone, this is Mr. No. In this video, I will show you how you can create a voice AI agent. So you can use this in combination with any other workflow automation tool like N8N. So from there, you can trigger a call and the AI agent will call the person and collect the details. So it works with various tools like you can see here. So there are trailblazing startups to Fortune 500 companies deploying voice agents on the WAPI platform. So the most configurable API to build leading voice AI products and scale operations. So these are the statistics they have. They have a large number of calls that has been placed. So these many developers use this. So you can set up calls in this platform. You need a mobile number, so you can get a mobile number from platforms like Twilio, using which you can use the same number to call anyone. So it has integration with more than 40 plus apps in just a snap. So it is charged based on the number of minutes the AI agent talks to your customers or to people. So it is free to use for an initial batch. So let me show you how it works. So this is the total number of minutes my AI agents have spoken to the customers. So you have various assistants here. So what I will do for this example is I will set up a beauty parlor agent, calling agent. So the AI agent will call the customer and set up an appointment for various beauty services. So for this, I need to go to assistants. So in the assistants, I'll create a new assistance. Okay, so I'll say create a new assistant. So I'll say beauty parlor assistant. Here I can put anything. So this is the blank template that I'm choosing. I have some other information that I can choose. That is whether it's a feedback gatherer, appointment lead qualification specialist. I will choose a blank template for now. I'll say create a assistant. Now here if I go, I can use various models. You don't have to pay for the model, you have to pay per minute for the AI agent. So these are the models that I can use. This is the provider and this is the model that I can use. So first message mode, assistant speaks first, or assistant should wait for the user to speak. Assistant speaks first with the model generated message. All these things can be configured. So this is the system prompt. So this prompt I have generated from ChatGPT. You can create it based on yours. So I'm saying you are a friendly professional AI calling assistant on behalf of Mr. No Beauty Parlor, which offers a wide range of common beauty services like haircuts, facials, waxing, manicures, and more. So your goal is to call customers to confirm or check the time and date of their upcoming appointment. So greet the customers warmly. Introduce yourself as the automated assistant from the Mr. New Beauty Parlor. Politely ask customer to confirm the time and date of their scheduled appointment. If the customer is unsure, offer to help them find or reschedule the appointment. Speak in a natural, friendly tone, like a helpful assistant or receptionist. Keep the conversation short, clear, and helpful. So you can add your knowledge file. If you have various services that you provide, you can add that as a knowledge file. So this is the max token and this is the temperature. Temperature is used to control the randomness of the output. So when you set it higher, you'll get more random outputs. But if you set it lower, it will be based on more like the prompts that you have used. So here you can configure the person's voice. So see this is 22-year-old white male. This is Spencer, female. Okay, so I'll choose female. Now if you want a transcriber, you can do that here. So I'll just keep it very simple. So if I want to collect any information and pass it as a parameter, I can create tools and create parameters and pass that. But I'm not doing all those things. I'm just trying to keep it very simple. And I'll say talk to the assistant. Or I could say test. Okay. So no tools have been configured for testing. So let me talk to the assistant directly. So this is how if the call goes. Okay.
Hello?
Hello.
Hi there, this is the automated assistant calling from Mr. No Beauty Parlor. How are you today? I'm just calling to confirm the time and date of your upcoming appointment. Could you please let me know when it's scheduled?
Yeah, I am planning to come
All
there
right.
for.
Could you?
Yeah, I'm planning to come there for an appointment on Friday. I have to do manicure and haircut.
Thank you for sharing that. Let me confirm. You're scheduled for a manicure and haircut this Friday. Do you happen to know the time? Wonderful.
Yeah,
Could you confirm the time?
yeah, 2 p.m. is what I got.
Got it. So your appointment is scheduled for Friday at 2 p.m. for a manicure and haircut. Thank you for confirming. If you have any changes or need assistance, feel free to reach out anytime. Have a great day, and we look forward to seeing you then.
All right, thanks. Bye. So you have seen that how quickly I was able to set up a calling agent to confirm the appointment in my beauty parlor. So if I want to set up based on the schedule in my calendar, I can use N8N or other workflow automation tool. It will check the calendar, and based on that, it will block an appointment. That is a little bit complicated, but it can be done very easily. So this agent can be connected to calling number. So based on that, you can trigger a webhook and it will call a person and check. So this is a brief overview of how Vapi AI calling works. So you can use their platform. They will give you some free credits. So the plan renews on July 1st. You can see here. So I hope this information is useful. Thank you very much.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.